In this video we're going to show you how to replace this slider assembly. It's not a difficult thing, it appears to be, but it's not. Number one, remove the handle, get it out of your way, makes the job a little bit easier, and then remove the two horizontal springs. Now have it fixed down here, right, bolted down to where it's not going to be moving. Pull that spring off, and you can hold this pin with your left hand and pull the other spring off. Now, there's two bolts that you would need to remove, and this pin, you pull that pin out right there, and then remove this bolt and this bolt. Now, I'm going right over to another machine over here, and here's what we're doing. I have this bolt and this bolt we were showing. I'm going to pull them out and lay them down here, and you see when that falls out now, when it comes out, there's going to be two of those little spacers that will fall out. They'll go on either side of this slide bar. Now to replace the slide bar, go out in the yard and get you a stick and push it in there until it gets up to where it's pretty snug, and then snip just a little bit on each side of it. Put a spacer on that side. Put your spacer on that side. Snip that off. Now, you want to come back in here. This is flat spot that's got to be up against the cam. So you just push it in that way. Slide that right up there. There's my bolt. Slide that right up there. Line the holes up. Sometimes it's a little hard to get the holes lined up real good. And my old shaky hands don't help much. It's like that. Just shove it in. Shove that little stick out of there. You got it in there. And it's all ready to go. This will lift right up, sit right through there, and come down on top of that bolt where it belongs. Replace your bolts and your spacers and everything. Slip it all back together, and it's really quite simple.